The best time to buy garden tools, furniture, and decor. Expert tips for big savings. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Gardening is a rewarding hobby, but it can also be an expensive one if you are not careful with your spending. The good news is that you can save a significant amount of money by shopping for good garden tools and items at the right time of the year. Let's break it down. The best time for you to buy different garden essentials. If you are looking to invest in quality tools and equipment, the best time to buy is typically during the late fall and winter months. Many garden centers and home improvement stores often discount on tools as the garden season winds down. They need to clear out old inventory to make room for new items, which means you can score some great deals. Another great time to buy is during holiday seasons like Black Friday, Labor Day, and when many other stores offer deep discounts on a wide range of items, including garden tools. You can also get some good deals online on various stores and during special events like Cyber Monday and also Amazon Day and other important days where they have deep discounts on all other items. Right now it's getting close to the end of the summer, and I'm here at Walmart. As you can see, they have garden items on clearance here. So check your local stores and see if you can find clearance aisles like these where they have garden clearance items on sale. And some areas might have more than others, and some stores might have more than others. But check your local stores. You might be able to get some good deals on items uh, garden tools and hoses and other stuff that you use in the garden. So let's go into the aisle and see exactly what they have. Some items are still on regular price, but some other items are still on clearance. You can see like these garden accessories like hose ends and metal hose menders. These ones are all on clearance. You can save anywhere from 30 to 40% on these items over here, and that's much better. I usually stock on these accessories at this time of the year right now because I can save money on them, and whenever I need them next year, I usually have one or two extras that I can use whenever it breaks up. It breaks up during the growing season. So one important tip to consider is that this hardware and garden centers, not all of them are gonna have items on clearance. Stores like Lowe's and Home Depot don't have a lot of clearance because they carry most of the items throughout the year. But stores like Walmart, Target, Ace, and other stores that carry garden items mostly in the summer would have these items on clearance because they want to get rid of it and get fall or winter stuff into the stores. So just check out the local stores that you have, see if you might be able to find these items. I'll see if I can put the link to some of them, what they have online in the either in the description or in the bio. I'll put the link there so that you can also go to their website and see what they have for clearance. Now is the best time for you to start looking at them, especially if it's something that you really need, that you're gonna need next year. You want to try to get it now at 30 to 50% off. Sometimes you can even get up to 75% off late in the fall, around September, October, when they're trying to get rid of whatever's left. You might be able to get these items even at a better price. One important area that you can also find some good tools and clearance items will be like Facebook Marketplace or eBay, where people sell. The season is over, or even if the season is not over, some people try to get rid of their stuff in the summer. So you might be able to get some good deals on tools, garden tools, and other items at Facebook Marketplace and eBay and other websites where you can get secondhand items that would save you a lot of money. If If you like the video so far, please smash the like button, and also let me know in the comments below where you get your deep discounts on garden items, where you usually go and get your garden items at a discount, and what time of the year you do go shopping for garden items. Let me know in the comments below. So some items here are still not on clearance. So what I usually do, especially if it's something that I really want to get, I can come back later on after a week or 2 weeks. And usually by then, some of the items that were not on clearance are on clearance, and you're able to get these items at a discount. So check your stores regularly. You might not have it the first week, but the following week, they might have some markdown prices where you might be able to get these items at a huge discount. So check them on, check your stores, and check them regularly if you're looking for something you really need, and or items you really need and you want to get them at a discount. Check your stores regularly. Usually they mark these things down before October. Garden furniture and decor. Garden furniture and decor can be a significant investment, but if you know when to shop, you can get these items at a fraction of the cost. The best time to buy garden furniture and decor is late summer to early fall. As the gardening season comes to a close, retailers start offering discounts to clear out their inventory. This is a perfect time to upgrade your outdoor space without breaking the bank. Additionally, consider shopping during off-season clearance sales when you can find items at deep discounts, discounted prices. Like I said, you can have some of these items online. I will see if I can put a link to some of the clearance sites where you can get these at deep discounts. I'll put the links below. Right now I am at Lowe's, and as you can see, Lowe's has some clearance items like outdoor decor like these. They have some items on clearance. Like I said, it depends on what store you are and what locations you are. Some stores might have the clearance, some stores might not, but you might be able to be lucky to get some deals and some great discounts on items that you're looking for. All you have to do is either go to the store and check it, or go to online to their website. You might be able to see what they have for clearance. Sometimes what they have in the store might not be available online, so you want to always check the store, especially if you're passing by the store or shopping around the store. You want to go and check and see what they have. You might be able to get some good deals from them, so always check the clearance section or the various areas where they usually carry the items. You might have some clearance signs on those items that are on clearance. So today I got just one item from Walmart, and this is this hose sprayer. And the hose sprayer is the one that I have. The long one that I had was bad, and I had a backup one, and this one is gonna become my new one that I'm gonna be using next season, and keep the other backup to be backup. So this one is very good, and it has different options for you to spray, and also the bottom has a no kink. It swirls around when it's twisted because it tries to make sure that the hose doesn't kink very fast. So I'm gonna try this next year, use it this year and next year, and hopefully be able to get more use for it throughout. And it has a lifetime warranty, so definitely something that you can check out and see if it's something that you need. Also, let me know in the comments below some of your top items that you're looking for in garden supplies or garden tools for this year or next year. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you're not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, share the video. Also leave a comment below what you think about the video. If you like videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Happy growing, everybody.